Yellow-named Amazon parrot is famous for its ability to copy human sounds, and we have one such one today. Thank you. So everyone, get your video cameras ready, okay? Okay, let's start with something simple, shall we? How about a nice hello? Hello! You want to tell everyone what's your name? Amigo!
Amigo!
Let's try this one more time. What's your name? Amigo! Amigo is his name. Now, Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? Oh, let's give him some time. He's still chewing on his walk. Okay, Amigo, you ready? How would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? He's asking how are you? What a polite greet, aren't you? Now, Amigo here is very intelligent. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, Amigo. He can impress all of you even further by counting in Chinese. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not only can Amigo count, he can also sing. He can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. The first song is titled Her Life, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, let's sing in Mandarin. The next song originates from Indonesia, entitled Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Amigo, let's sing Rasa Sayang. Rasa Sayang, Rasa Sayang, Before Amigo sings the final song, which is in English, I would like to find out, is anybody celebrating your birthdays today? Let's start with this section. Any birthdays? Show of hands. No? How about the middle section? Any birthdays? Okay, the 2 of you. One more right here. One more here and one more here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of you. How about the last section? Any birthdays? No? Okay, so for the 6 of you, Amigo, you know what to do. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the 6 of you, and thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here in the Jurong Park. Now it's time for Amigo to head back home. But before he goes, Amigo wants to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Amazon parrot.
Amigo!
Now after hearing Amigo perform, you might be tempted to get yourself a pet parrot. But please remember that these birds are hard to upkeep as they require a lot of time and commitment. Certain species are even known to outlive us. So please do think twice or even thrice before getting yourself a pet parrot. Now the next 2 birds coming